In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to a Squarespace website. If you already have your domain registered with GoDaddy and your site is built in Squarespace, this process will link the two so visitors can reach your website using your custom domain. We'll be working in both Squarespace and GoDaddy, and the main goal is to add the exact DNS records that Squarespace provides. To begin in Squarespace, go to Settings, then Domains, and choose Connect a Domain I Own. This option is for domains that were purchased somewhere else, in this case through GoDaddy. Once you're there, type in your domain name carefully and select Connect. After you do that, Squarespace will generate the DNS records you need. Keep this page open because you'll refer back to it while updating your settings in GoDaddy. Next, switch over to your GoDaddy account, open your domain portfolio, find the correct domain, and go into DNS management. This is the area where you control how your domain points to your website, so it's important to enter each record exactly as shown in Squarespace. Start by adding the two CNAME records provided by Squarespace. One of them is a unique verification code that points to verify squarespace.com. This record helps Squarespace confirm that you own the domain. The other name is for www, and it should point to xcus.squarespace.com. Be careful not to replace the wrong record if a www entry already exists. In most cases, you'll need to edit it so it matches what Squarespace requires. After that, add the four A records from Squarespace. These should point to the following IP addresses: 198.185.1 of 599.144, 198.185, 163, 144, 198, 49, 23.144, and 198.49.244.144. These A records are what connect the root version of your domain, meaning the version without www, to your Squarespace site. Make sure all four are added correctly, because missing even one can cause problems with how